How to get points on Microsoft Reward. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get points on Microsoft Rewards. First, go to the web browser and search for Microsoft Rewards in the search bar. After that, reach the website of Microsoft Rewards. Next, you will see your points on the top. On the top, scroll down and you will see Take the Tour. Then, click on Start Earning Points, hit the pin, and start earning. Now open Microsoft Edge and sign in by providing your email address. In the next step, enter your password and scroll down to reach the Take the Tour. Here, you can pin and start earning to get the coins. In the end, you'll be able to get points on Microsoft Reward. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.